Alright, here we go. Good luck, Nick. We're going to do Doctor Who and Arrow. Buena suerte. So we'll do Doctor Who since we just did that one right now. 3. Season 3. Amy Pond base. Alright. You don't want to know. Got a red snowman. Alright, if you see her, just tell me to stop. Christmas time, Christmas Carol. We got a Series 6. Blue. That's number 32 of 199. Snowman. Alien. 13 of 199. Alright, come on. Pyroville. Red. That is number to 50. 8 of 50. He lives in Pyrovilia. 2008 AD. Oh man, we just passed him up. Whew. Glad we didn't see him. Looks like the answer to BB-8. Is the jersey number. Christmas Story, The Runaway Bride, or Christmas Time Runaway Bride. Slithing, 23 of 99, Jordan jersey number, eBay 1 of 1. Nice. And we got Eve Miles as Gwen Cooper. That's our autograph there. And that is numbered at 35 of 50. Eve Miles is Gwen Cooper. Nasty, he says. Guess who knows who she is then. Cool. As long as you know. Box paid, he says. Cool. So we got one more hit. Katarina. 104 of 109. Or 199, sorry. Katarina. I haven't even looked, man. Like I said, I'll look in the morning. Christmas time. Christmas Invasion. Right now, I'm surprised I can even read what's on the cards. We got another TARDIS. Astrid Path. Commemorative TARDIS patch. Not numbered on that one. The bus is running already outside. And I may have to close this window soon. Sutek. Sutek. That is number 42 of 99. I got a peg doll. You don't want the peg doll? You get that one signed. Jackson Lane. Or Lake, sorry. 117 of 199. Should be. Oh, there it is. Amy Pond. Should be uploaded. If it is, it's. Let me. Oh, no, it isn't. So. I'll put it right now. 32. I'm pretty sure I've got a lot of that I haven't uploaded. Let's just do their control. Hold on. It's being uploaded just with no name, so you're just gonna have to find it. All right, and the box of Arrow, A-R-Row. Good luck, Nick. I'm gonna pull the patch though. The only one not signing this stuff is Stephen Amell. So let's get the sister or one of the girls, one of the other two girls. Cassidy, there you go. I like this show. We got a red border. I haven't watched it lately, but I like this show. It was very exciting at first. Sarah Lance is the one we want to get. She has one of the autographs that goes for like $200-300. Green, you're nothing to me. That's the one we gotta pull, Nisa. That's my favorite one, Nisa. Her Day in Court, red. No? Oh. I have never seen Doctor Who. I've definitely never seen Doctor Who. I've spent time watching Arrow, though. Lisa O'Goul again. Unthinkable. Oh, gotcha. There's our autograph. Save that. Yeah, right. Call back the drone. I'm almost out of stuff, dude. Yeah, one autograph and one relic per box. There's our authentic wardrobe. Nice. Emily Bett Rickards as Felicity Smoke. M13. M13 on that one. The rest is mine. System. Green, Amanda Waller. Oh, is she really? I didn't know. Ah, gotcha. Got a green, too late. Okay, he'll sign at shows and all that stuff, but he won't sign his cards. That's lame. Breathe, aim, fire. That's the first time I've seen that one. Like a sticker. Remove the it. Assassin's School. There you go. Got our foil. Right to remain silent. It's when they arrest her dad. 24 of 40. Nothing. That's a nice scene. CEO pro tempore. And that is it. Alright, our autograph of this box is gonna be not that card. Sebastian Blood, Kevin Alejandro. Very nice. KA1, Kevin Alejandro. Cool. Thank you, Nick. You want to do it? That's the last box I have. Here we go. Hold on, Gray. Yeah, well, he's gonna be gone for two weeks, he says, so might as well enjoy it while you can. Master and student. Taj Boyd from SPA. A hostile takeover. Yeah, you were going to see it on Roy Isn't Roy. You're going to see it on Instagram later, Oddball. Just finished the table. Our relic. Nice. Katie Lopes. A Sarah Lance. M22. No numbering on that one. Kitty lots. Our foil. This piece of the puzzle. It's 17 of 40. Mistake. What's today? Tuesday? Damn. Can't remember. Sebastian Blood is the one that takes over his company, right? We got our green. Mirakuru in Starling City. Taking the fight to them. If you stick that in me, I will kill you. I need your help. That's part of the poster also. There's our autograph. What's the biggest gun you've got? Here's our sticker. Very nice sticker. I don't even know where anything's at anymore right now. Everything's all over the place for me. And the last pack is for the autograph. Alright, our autograph is... Come on, please have some funky design on it. Shadow. Selena Jade as Shadow. Nice. CJ. Selena Jade. Very nice. Nice little box. At least she's cute. Thank you, Nick.